Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you guys? Are you fine? I'm Jana Ahmed Abd Sadiq and today's model is maths. Now let's start with the first question in this model. Which of the following set contains all the other sets? It is rational numbers, whole numbers, integers, or natural numbers. Of course, the correct answer it will be rational numbers. Why? Because as we said before, that natural numbers is a subset of whole numbers, and whole numbers and natural numbers is a subset of integers, and three of them are subset to rational numbers. So rational numbers it contains all of these sets together. Okay, now in question number 2 is asking what? The absolute value of x minus x minus 6 minus 3 is equal to 2. So what we will do here, first of all, we will shift negative 3 with 2. So that means it will be the absolute value of x minus 6 is equal to what? 2 plus 3, right? Then it will be x minus 6, which is equal to 2 plus 3, it will be 5, right? Then when you will make x minus 6 is equal to 5 and x minus 6 is equal to negative 5, then you will simplify it, you will get what? 11 and 1, right? So that means the solution set for question number 2 it will be choice A, which is 11 and 1. Okay, now question number 3, what we have here, what is the decimal form of the sum 4 over 1000 plus 8 over 10 plus 1 over 100? Then what we'll do here, we'll make it divide, like here 4 over 1000, so here it will be what? 0.004. okay, then in 8 it will be plus 0.8, and 1 over 100 it will be plus 0.01. Then when you will add all, you will get what? You will get 0.814. So the correct answer for question number 3 it will be choice C. Now question number 4, what we have here, if x is equal to negative 6 and y is equal to 10, then what will be the answer for the absolute value of x minus 3y over the absolute value of x and y? Okay, what we will make here, we have x, which is in place of x it will be the absolute value of negative 6 minus the absolute value of 3 times 10, right? Over the absolute value of x and y, it will be negative 6 times 10. Then the correct answer here it will be what? If we take negative 6 out of the absolute value, it will be what? It will be positive 6, right? So that means 6 minus 3 times 10, it will be 30. Over what we have here, negative 6 times 10, right? So it will be negative 60, but inside the absolute value. Then when it will take it out, it will be positive 60, right? So the correct answer for question number 4, here it will be 6 minus 30 over 60. Then cut 0 by 0, 6 minus 3 is 3 over 6, it will be 1 over 2. So that means the correct answer for question number 4 it will be choice C, which is 1 over 2. Okay, now in question number 5, which one of the following is not true? N is the subset of positive integers, or Z is the subset of whole numbers, or Q or negative rational numbers is element of what we have here, positive rational number is equal to Q. So that means C is not the correct answer. C is not the correct answer. Okay, now let's go for question number 6. It says what? Which of the following rational numbers is not equivalent to 3 over 50? Is not equivalent. Here it will be by 3 and here it will be by 50. But 120 over 20, no, it will not. Here cut 0 by 0. Here it will be by 6. Here by 10. Then here it will be by 3. And here it will be by 5. So that means 3 over 5. So that means 3 over 5 is not equivalent or is not equal to 3 over 50. So the correct answer for question number 6, which is not equal to 3 over 50, it will be choice B. Okay, now in question number 7, what is the solution set of the equation x minus 0.1x is equal to 0.75x plus 4.5? Okay, what we will do here, because the place is not enough, so we will go to paint. Try this question there. So what we'll make here, we have the pencil, then we will write x minus 0.1x, which is equal to 0.75x plus 4.5. This is the question, right? Okay, x minus 0.1, here point. So what we will do here, we will make 1 over 10, because if you jump 0, it will be 1 over 10. So that means x minus 1 over 10 x is equal to 0. It will be what here? $75 x over 100 plus 45 over 10, right? Okay, then what we will do here, because of x, we'll make a crisscross together, then we will get 10x minus x over 10. So that means it will be equal to 9x over 10, which is equal to 75 x over 100 plus 45 over 10. Then we'll shift 75x over 100 with 9x. So that means we will make here what? 9x minus 75 x, here 9x over what? 10, and 75x, which is over 100. Then we'll times 9 and 10 by 10. Why? Because we need to make the denominators equal. Then what we'll make here, it will be 90 minus 75x, right? 90x minus 75x, both of them over 100. And all of this is equal to what? Here what we have, 45 over 10, right? Okay, now 90 minus 75, it will be 15. Here it will be 15 over 15x over 100, which is equal to 45 over 10. Then we will crisscross, it will be 150 x, which is equal to 4,500. Then both sides divided by 150. Then cut 150 by 150 and 0 by 0. Then we'll find here 450 over 15, which is by 1, and here by 30. So that means the correct answer, or the final answer for this question, it will be 30. Okay, now that means choice C, it will be the correct answer, which is 30. Okay, now in question number 8, what we have here, the solution set of 2x over 3 minus 1 minus 3x over 4 is equal to 7 over 6 is equal to what? Now in this question, what we will do, we have here the numbers of the denominators are different, right? Which is here 2x over 3 and 1 minus 3x over 4 and 7 over 6, right? Then we want to make it all equal. So now what is the LCM of 3, 4 and 6? It will be 12, right? So that means 7 over 6 times 12 and 1 minus 3x over 4 minus 12, times 12, and 2x over 3 times 12. Then here by 3 1, and here by 12 4, here by 1, and here by 3, and here by 1, and here by 2. Now what we'll do here, 4 times 2x will give us 8x, and then negative 3 minus 1, and negative 3 times minus negative 3x. So here it will be negative 3 plus 9x, which is equal to 14. Then we collect the like terms together, like 8x plus 9x, it will be 17x, then shift negative 3 with 14. That means is equal to what? 14 plus 3, then 17x is equal to 17. Then divide both sides by 17. Then the last answer, it will be x is equal to 1. So that means in question number 8, its answer, it will be choice B. Okay, now question number 9. The solution set of the inequality 1 over 2 6 minus 4x plus 3 is less than 4. So what will be the answer here? First of all, we have 1 over 2, 6 minus 4x, here cut by 1, and here by 3, and here it will be by 2. That means 3 minus 2x plus 3 is less than 4, right? Then here it will be 3 plus 3, it will be 6 minus 2x, which is less than 4. Then take 6 to 4, shift 6 to 4, that means it will be negative 2 less than 4 negative 6, 4 minus 6. So that means here what it will be, negative 2 less than negative 2. Then divide both sides by what? Negative 2. So cut negative 2 by negative 2, and here negative by negative, so that means here by 1 and here by 1. But because we divide both sides by negative number, so it will be here what? It will change the sign. So that means x is greater than 2. I mean is greater than 1. That means we'll find this answer in choice B. Now question number 10. Which one of the following sets is the solution set of the inequality 5 times x plus 2 is less than 4x plus 13? Now what we'll do here, first of all we remove the brackets. That means it will be 5x plus 10 less than 4x plus 13. Then 5x shift 4x with 5x and 10 with 13. Then it will be what? 5x minus 4x, which is less than 13 minus 10. Then here it will be what? X less than 3. That means choice D is the correct answer for question number 10. Now question number 11. What we have here, in a group of students, 14 came from private school, 15 came from government school, and 11 came from public school. What percentage of the group come from government school? So we want to see the percentage of government school, right? Okay, now what we will do here first, we will add all of the students together, like 14 plus 15 plus 11. It will be is equal to 40, right? Then we want to know the percentage of the students who came from government school, right? So it will be 15 over the total number of the students times 100. Then when you will simplify it, here by 2 and here by 5, then 5 times 15, then the right answer, it will be 37 and 1 over 2%. So the correct answer, it will be choice C. Now question number 12. In Ethiopia International School, Riyadh, there are 1,000 students, out of which 600 are girls and the rest are boys. What is the ratio of the number of girls to boys? Here what we will do, first of all we have all of the students, which is 1,000 students, right? And we have 600 girls, but we need to know what for boys, the ratio of boys. So we will make here what? 1000 minus 600 will give us 400, right? Okay, now we need to know the ratio of the number of girls to boys. So that means it will be 600 over 400, then cut 0 by 0, and here by 3, and here by 2. So that means is equal to what? 3 ratio 2, which is in choice B. Okay, now question number 13. At the beginning of the year, the price of the car was 60,000 per. At the end of that year, its value increased by 20%. How much does it cost at the end of the year? After using the formula, you will get the answer is choice A. Now question number 14. Over what time will 600 per amount to 900 at the rate 5% simple interest annually? Here, after using the formula, which is I is equal to PRT, you will get the answer, which is 10 years. Okay, now in question number 15, which one of the following is not measures of central tendency? It will be range, right? Okay, now question number 16. What we have here, the test results on a maths exam were 77, 66, 70, 83, 88, 64, 93, and 99. What is the median score? The median score, after arranging these numbers as ascending or descending order, then you will get the median, which it will be 66 and 70. Then make it add 66 plus 70 over 2. Then you will get the answer, which is 80. Okay, now question number 17. What we have here, your 4 subject exam scores are 68, 78, 90, and 91. What is the minimum score in the next subject to achieve an average at least 85? So after using the formula, you will get the answer, which is 98. Now question number 18. We have 2x minus 5 over 4 minus x over 3 is equal to 2 minus x plus 4 over 6, right? The same thing, we have different numbers on the denominator, so we want to make it the same denominator. So we'll multiply each number by 12, like the LCM of 4, 3, and 6, it will be 12, right? So for that, we will multiply every number by 12. Like here, you multiply this number by 12. And here also multiply x over 3 by 12, multiply 2 by 12, and multiply x plus 4 over 6 by 12. Then cut 6 here by 1 and here by 2, here by 1 and here by 4, here by 1 and here by 3. Then what you will make here, 3 times 2x minus 5 minus 4x is equal to 24 minus 2x minus 8, right? Then when you collect the like terms together, it will be 2x minus 15 is equal to 16 minus 2x. Then you will find 2x plus 2x is equal to 16 plus 15. Then you will get 4x is equal to 31, right? Then divide both sides by 4. Then cut 4 by 4, and the last answer, it will be x is equal to 31 over 4. So the correct answer for question number 18, it will be choice C. Now question number 19, what we have here, 8 minus 3 times x minus 5 plus 7 is equal to 3 minus x minus 5 minus 2 times x minus 11. What is the value of x for this number? Here, first of all, what you will do, you will make negative 3 times x and negative 3 times 15. Here, negative times x and negative times negative 5, negative 2 times x and negative 2 times negative 11. Then you will get the answer for this question. Then what you will make here, it will be 8 minus 3x plus 15 plus 7 is equal to 3 minus x plus 5 minus 2x plus 22. Then what you will make here, 30 minus 3x is equal to 30 minus x minus 2x. Then when you will collect the like terms together, it will be negative 3x plus 3x is equal to 30 minus 30. then it will be 0 is equal to 0 in both sides. So that means it has no value. So the correct answer for question number 19, it will be choice D. Okay, now in question number 20, what is the area of the shaded region shown in the figure below? Here what we will do, we will times 6 2 times and we will times 2 2 times. So that means it will be 6 times 6, 36. Okay, centimeters squared, right? And 2 times 2, 4 centimeters squared. Then we will need to find the shaded region. So you will subtract 36 4 from 36. So it will be 32 centimeters squared, which is choice B here. Okay, now in question number 21, what is the area of the shaded region shown below here? It will be the same thing, so we'll get the answer 30 centimeters squared, which is in choice B. Now question number 22, the area of a paragram is 36 centimeters squared. What is the altitude of its base is 4 centimeters. So the correct answer for this question, or the correct formula, we will use what? A, area of parallelogram is equal to B, which is base, times H, which is high. Then we have area and we have base, so we need to find high. In place of A, we'll put 36 centimeters squared, which is equal to B, which is 4 times H. Then divide both sides by 4. Then here by 1. And 36 here by what? By 9. So that means H is equal to 9 centimeters, which is in choice B. Now question number 23. If the area of the circle is 154 centimeters squared, then what is the circumference? And use pi, which is equal to 22 over 7. After using the formula of the circumference or the area of the circle, you will find what? You will find 34 centimeters is the answer for this question, which will be circumference. Okay, now question number 24. What is the area of a trapezoid whose bases are 4 meters and 2 meters and whose height is 10 meters? The correct answer, it will be 30 meters squared. Why? Because here what we have 4 meters and 2 meters. So that means 4 plus 2 will give us 6 meters. Then we will use the formula, which it will be 10 over 2 times 60, times 6, then here by 1 and here by 3, then 3 times 10, 30. So that means choice C is the correct answer for question number 24, because we use the formula area of trapezium is equal to B1 plus B2 over 2 times high. Okay, now question number 25. Here the sum of the interior angles of a polygon is 1440. What is the name of the polygon? Here 1440 is the sum of the interior angles of a polygon, right? Okay, now we need to find the inside it to know the name of the polygon. Like for example here, what we'll do here, 1440 is equal to n minus 2 times 180. So after simplifying it, you will get 10. And 10, when you will use, if a polygon have 10 sides, so its name, it will be decagon. Decagon, which is in choice A. And the correct answer for question number 25, it will be choice A. Now question number 26. Okay, in question number 26, what we have? What is the area of trapezoid shown below? As we said before, the area for trapezoid, it is B1 plus B2 over 2 times by height, right? So that means we have B1 here, B2 or B2 here and B1, and we have the height So that means we'll make 8 plus 28 divided by 2 times 10. Then the last answer will be 180 units squared. So that means the correct answer here to be choice B, which is 180 square units. Okay, and question number 27. What is the perimeter of the trapezium given below? The perimeter it will be like the sum of the sides together. So that means 8 plus 8 plus 16 plus 8, it will give us what? 96 centimeter, which is in choice B. Now question number 28. What is the area of the parallelogram shown below? As we said also before, that area of parallelogram is equal to what? Base times height, right? Here the base we have 2.5 meter and the height we have 1.8 meter. So that means 1.8 times 2.5 will give us what? 4.5 centimeter squared. So the correct answer for question number 28 will be choice B. Now question number 29. The area of a trapezium is 384 centimeters squared. Its parallel sides are in the ratio 3:5 and the perpendicular distance between them is 12 centimeters. What is the length of the longer base? Of course, the right answer here, it will be 24 centimeters by using the formula. Now question number 30. A fruit seller had some apples. He sells 40% apples and still has 420 apples. Originally, how many apples he had? Now after using also the formula, you will get what? 700. Now question number 31. Which one of the following is not true? Radical 50 plus radical 18 will give us 8 radical 2, or radical 600 is equal to 10 radical 6, or 5 radical 6 squared is equal to 25 times 36. The correct answer it will be choice B, which is not true. The one which is not true is this one. But A, C and D are correct answers. Now question number 32. The following table is part of the function y is equal to x squared for 3.50 is less than or equal to x and x is less than or equal to 3.99. Using the table to answer the questions number 32 and 33. Okay, now here in 32, what is the approximate value of radical 14.98? Here where we have 14.98 here 14.98. So that means in this row here and 3.8. So that means 3.8 and you have here 7. So the correct answer will be 3.87 is the correct answer, which is in choice B. Okay, now question number 33. What is the approximate value of 0.375 squared? After like multiplying it 2 times, what we'll get here? Here what says 375, so 3.75, it will be 14.06, which it will be 14.06. Yes, is the correct answer. Choice A. Now question number 34. What is the perimeter of a square whose side length is 5 cube root of 2? He is asking about the perimeter of square, and perimeter of square is equal to what? 4s, right? 4s. So that means 4 times 5 the cube root of 2. So that means 20 the cube root of 2. So the correct answer for question number 34, it will be choice B. Now question number 35, which one of the following is not true for any whole numbers p and q? It will be the radical p times q is equal to radical p times radical q, or radical p over q is equal to radical p over q, where q is not equal to 0, or radical p plus q is equal to radical p plus radical q, or p times q squared is equal to p squared and q squared. The correct answer will be here, that's not true about the whole numbers p and q, which it will be radical p plus q is equal to radical p plus radical q. This one is not correct. Now question number 36, if radical 61 is equal to 7.811, then what is the radical of 0.0061? Here the correct answer will be 0.00781. Now question number 37, the perimeter of a basketball field is 108 meters and its height is 6 meters longer than its weight. What are the dimensions of the field? The correct answer, it will be length, which is 24, and weight, which is 30 meters. Now question number 38, what is the expanded form of 3a plus 4 times 2a minus 3? Here there is a problem, but the correct answer, it will be 3a, that's 3a times 2a, and 3a times negative 3. Then 4 times 2a and 4 times negative 3. Then you get answer, it will be 6a squared minus a minus 12. But here is not written. It should be b like cut 2 and 6a squared minus a plus 12. No, not plus 12. This one also is not correct. So that means this question have problem itself here. Okay, now let's go for question number 39. The highest common factor of 24x squared y cube and and z to the power of 4 and 36x cube y squared z cube is what? Here if you see, it will be the common factors, it will be 4, and we have x squared between the two, x squared, and we have y squared also, and we have z cube, which is similar and has a common factor here. So that means the correct answer for question number 39, it will be choice D. Now question number 40, what is the expression of 12bq cube minus 15b squared q squared plus 21p times q squared? So when it will be factorized, it will be what? Here 3pq times 4q squared times negative 5pq times 7q will give us 12pq cube minus 15p squared and q squared plus 21 pq squared. So that means choice A is the correct answer for question number 40. Now this was the last answer for the last question in this model. Inshallah, in the coming videos we are gonna to make more videos and we'll solve it together. I hope that you benefit from this video. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching. Goodbye.